Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to swap on Tonkeeper wallet, cryptos. So make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into it. Now, once you have opened up your Tonkeeper wallet and you are on wallet option, you want to go ahead and just click on swap option right there. And from here, you will be able to swap it basically from any coin. And for example, let's choose, we want to go ahead and swap from TON to USDT, for example. Now you want to go ahead and write down how much you want to go ahead and swap. And that's how much you will get. As you can see, there are some fees like liquidity provider fee and blockchain fees. So, but as you can see, they are not that much. So after that, you will be able to choose an option to swap it. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.